Or you.
Damn, Taz, you look old as fuck.
Let me open our emergency packs.
Oh, there's KP.
See where we're at.
What up, Dom?
Alright. Alright.
Let me pick it up.
Helicopter's right off to the right shore over here. So over that way is the helicopter right offshore.
Yeah,
We need to check that out.
What up, dude? What up?
Okay.
Walkie-talkies, man. Get it.
We
What
got
up? I'm right behind you.
one of our targets straight down this coastline.
Okay,
Let's
go.
make a lean-to and then let's go get it. Get that one target.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Alright, blue one, we're going into a cave. We may lose.
Oh, no, we're not.
Connection.
No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not.
Hi, KP.
I say we seen Kelvin in there. Take Kelvin in there. Where Kelvin at?
You
He
ready?
could go in there. Oh, shit.
Damn it, what?
Oh, hell is this?
Hey,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Look, as a black man, Augie, you don't do this no more, okay? You don't
Oh.
go into caves.
Sorry. Oh, I think I was supposed to light that.
Can you please like something?
How do I light this? I like this. Hey, make sure we get all these things on the ground.
It's a dead body right here.
Uh-oh. Turn that back on. I don't know why I picked up a skull, but I picked up a skull. Oh, shit. Is that one of our team members? Maybe we get
You know
some more.
what?
Maybe we get more team members coming up here.
Shit.
Let's go check it out.
I threw it by mistake.
There could be more team members up here.
Oh, shit. Hold up.
Hey guys, I got a lot of skulls. A lot of skulls. Oh, oh, God. Damn bats. Damn bats got me. Whew.
It's a nice scenery. A very nice scenery. I love this place, dude. Ooh,
Crap, how do you crouch?
the R.
Roll a duh.
Looks like this cave opens up.
I hear weird music. Not here for it. You got another flare?
Yeah.
Just throw it.
Why are we in this fucking creepy cave?
We gotta look for our team.
No, the fuck we don't. We got Kelvin.
We leave no man behind.
Says who? Not me.
Why is there a floaty in here? Ooh, this
But
is
me, I
not a
can't
bring
swim.
your kid on vacation thing.
I can't swim.
Another one of our team members, guys.
I'm hearing something back there.
I see another. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Hey, guy, hold on. I'm gonna have to row this.
Is there a ore hanging from the ceiling? What the fuck
Who
is
is
that?
that? I think there's a guy up there.
No, there's a bunch of...
It's a fucking
Is that?
no bag.
Oh,
No.
what is that?
Oh, bag.
What
Ooh.
is that? Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, run! Get out!
Nope. Fuck y'all.
Get out! This cave is no good no more. This cave is no good.
Hey, we gotta go.
Oh!
I can't run.
Oh, wow, that's fast. That is fast. Get out. go. They're fast. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, whoa.
Move!
Whoa. Get out.
Where the
Let's go.
fuck is Kelvin?
Wait, did Kelvin come in here?
No, he didn't.
Oh.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Right.
Oh,
He
we
was
gotta go.
smarter than us.
Oh.
Even Kelvin said, "Hell no." Why the fuck
Oof.
we in here?
Oof. We guess what? We guess where we won't be for a while. Back in here. Ugh.
Get through. Fuck.
Make sure we all get out.
Renee.
Blue One, I don't know what was in that cave, but it was hostile. And I can tell you there is definitely something strange about this island. So keep your head on a swivel.
That's no good.
All right, blue leader. Red leader, we're heading into the
Hey, you
woods.
got,
God,
Far into the beach.
let's go. You can eat those berries too.
Where's he
He's right
at?
there.
What the fuck?
Did he go in the cave? Hey, where the fuck is he going?
I think Kelvin got brain dead.
All right.
I promise you.
Well, I did throw
Blue
a rock
team
at
is
his head.
pushing in the woods. I say we go up this way, see if we can find some water.
Hey.
Calvin,
doing?
good over there?
No.
No. I'm almost sure he's dead.
Well, I mean, he's probably got some brain damage.
Some?
A lot of it.
All right, let's go look for some. Push this way, look for some water.
Look how he run.
It is. Don't touch it.
rendezvous.
Hey, I see a canoe.
I see something. Yep, canoe and crates.
All right, let's do this thing.
What's that?
Maybe poison ivy, bro.
The blueberries, homie. Get some blueberries.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm not hungry right now.
What the fuck?
What is this?
What the fuck is that? Look at that.
Ooh,
Is that a fucking monkey?
there's two of
What
them.
happened?
There's two of them.
Get out the woods. Go to the water.
Whoa, to the water, to the water. Get clearance. We gotta be able to see them.
I
Whoa.
can't see him.
Calvin, get back here. Oh, to the right, to the right. Three of
It's
them.
like fucking dogs.
There's three of them. They're crawling on all fours. Oh,
they're
he went up
swimming,
a
they're
tree.
swimming.
Now that-
He went up a tree. Oh, they're climbing trees. All right, let's just follow the river.
Yeah.
Let's just follow the river.
I think I'm going.
Kelvin,
ahead and log out.
if something happens to Kelvin, it happens to Kelvin. Forget
Hell
him.
yeah.
First of all, I need Kelvin. I'm going ahead and log out. Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh,
All right,
Going right or left?
all right. Let me pull my GPS. Oh, there they go again, back across the river, guys. Watch out! Hey, watch
even-
out! I'm gonna look at my
even Kelvin
GPS real
running.
quick.
damn, y'all left my ass.
No, we did. We're right here. You left me. What are you talking about?
It showed
you-
you. Oh, I was looking at the wrong one.
You left us. Hey, Calvin, come on, man. You got. Oh yeah, these contacts are. Oh, hey, they're following us, guys. They are
Kelvin,
following
Run
us.
his ass though.
They are following
kill
us.
Gotta kill him. Kill him. Gotta
Do we,
kill him.
do
All
we
right.
kill him?
Hey, blue team, we're engaging.
Okay. We gotta do it. Get back! Get back! Get back!
Oof. Did you get him? All right, he's down. He's down. Oh, where's the other one? Is that all three of them?
No.
It looks like just two. All right, we need to get on up out of here. Let's. Whoa, whoa.
What? Why are you saying
I thought I
oh?
heard something. I thought I heard something.
I think
all right.
Now the mark's over here. Found it.
Come on, Don. Don,
It's
come
a
over here.
grave.
Is that it?
Wait a minute. Yep, that was the mark right there.
We have to dig or anything? What do we got going on here?
I don't know. I ain't got a shovel, so I can't very well dig.
All right. What's the next target? We better hurry up before the sun goes down.
The next one, the closest one is straight ahead.
All right. Hey, I think we should head back to the right to get some water.
I'm almost sure they're gonna try to get their key back. They're gonna kill us in a minute. I know they are.
Yeah, they probably not gonna take too kindly to us engaging them and killing
Yeah,
3 of their
we
friends.
We killed like 3 kids, a bunch of teenagers. Get killed.
Oh,
What the fuck?
where'd that come from?
What is
I
that?
don't know.
What are these?
Kelvin, what the fuck are you doing?
Blueberries.
Did you see that shit?
Let's go.
That was
All
me. I'm
right.
sorry.
What the fuck was that?
Hit you back.
You hit Kelvin, kill her. Kill her, Kevin.
Oh, shit, it's big ass spider web.
Where?
Jesus,
Oh.
scared the shit out right between these. Jesus, scared the shit out of me.
Arachnophobia. Just hold your head back. It's raining.
Oh shit, there's a thingy.
What the fuck is
There's
that
a
noise?
monkey
What?
thing.
A thingy? A thingy?
The monkey creature.
Whoa, Jesus.
Oh shit, Kevin!
We got another one.
The fuck?
He's down. He's down. All right, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's not stay.
Hey, I
you
got him.
gonna take him with us? You just gonna take him with us? KP's taking him with us. Is that the warning?
Hey. Yeah, I'll take it to his family. Don't try out no more. That fuck shit.
It's either gonna work for us or against us.
Let's go.
The fuck is that?
What the hell was that?
It was, it
I heard
sounded like a
over
deer.
here. Okay, something just lit up green on my. How you doing on water? How's everybody doing on water?
I'm
I'm doing all right.
decent.
Cause where this beacon just lit up at, there's a look like a river going through there.
Yeah, that river's good. Let's head over there. Just keep your eyes peeled.
All right, that's another one. So we gotta be careful. Oh, good. The foliage is clearing up. We should be able to see him a lot easier.
There's a deer.
Red letter. Where y'all going towards a beacon?
What is that?
Okay, we've been in contact twice already. It looks like they're almost following us.
We've had 0 contact so far.
Keep your eyes open. They are out here.
Yeah, we actually heard a scream. So we're looking.
That might have been us.
Throw it. He hurt. Oh no, he not.
Oh, I
ran
heard a
away
scream.
now.
I heard a scream, guys. There's a scream. Oh, shit. There, it jumped out the tree. It's on KP.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! What happened?
Oh, shit. Oh, they got me. Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh, Becky's here with me. Oh, Becky's here with me.
Kelvin took the fuck off.
What the fuck?
Who's over there? Is it KP? KP, you over there?
Yeah.
Oh, Becky's in front of me tied up too.
This ain't the fun way either.